Why are you late, young lady? Why didn't you call me back? Lily, why you didn't clean your room? Why were you talking to that guy? Hey, stupid! Why are you not coming with us, huh? Yeah, no, I don't know. My phone isn't working. Yeah, I don't know. What? Is my phone not working again? What? I never got your call. Oh, look, I just got your missed call now. No, I did call back. It went to voicemail. Yeah, I'm gonna be late. No, my car broke down. Yeah, I'm stuck in the middle of the street. Yeah, hold, sorry, give me 1 second. Go around! Go around! The tow truck's coming. Yeah, sorry. Honestly, my car won't start. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry, let me call you back. Okay. You know, I think I'm getting sick. Yeah, I probably shouldn't. Yeah, I don't think I can come. I'm not feeling too well. Yeah, I probably shouldn't. I have so much work to do. No, I probably shouldn't, to be honest, bro. I should do a lot of work today. I should probably spend time with my parents. Mom, I can't clean my room today, okay? I have so much homework. Miss, I couldn't do my homework because of family obligations. Dad, I told you I can't come to Auntie's house, okay? I have a huge project due. But I couldn't do my project. My aunt was sick. Baby, I didn't call you back because my phone was dying. Girl, I swear I did not see your text. Sometimes the double check mark is wrong. Boo, listen to me. I had to talk to him. I didn't want to be rude. Babe, I didn't forget to call you when I got home. I wasn't feeling well. My bad, yo. The alarm didn't go off. What? I swear to God, I don't think my alarm works. I got my period. I have my period. Yeah, I might get my period, so I can't do whatever it is you're asking me to do. Yeah, I don't have my car today. That's the only thing. No, I can't. I hurt my leg. Well, I did text you. I texted you, but check your text. Check your text right now. I can't. I don't have a ride. Okay, well, I did. I can't. I have to babysit. I have to wash my hair. Sorry, I was stuck in traffic and I left like 2 hours in advance. Listen, I already told you I can't do anything today, okay? Beyonce released a surprise album. Oh my God. There was an accident on the highway. It was crazy. Like, I haven't seen anything like it. I was driving, and there's one car. This other car came and hit it from behind. It rolled over, and because of that, there's like 3 other cars on the highway. And they're just like flipping and flying. It was crazy. I don't know. I think they were like shooting Final Destination or something. That's why I'm late. Hello, hi sir. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I can't come into work today because I'm just still really upset about Harry Potter ending. But I'll be there next week. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm supposed to be here, but like, hey, you're not supposed to be here. Huh? Sorry, me no English. No English, sorry. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I have to pick up my parents from the airport. Oh, I wasn't in town. I was on a plane. My flight was delayed. Just hold on, okay? Whatever you're accusing me of, I can assure you that it's not my fault and it's somehow the fault of the airport. Airport. Airplane. Turbulence. I know I'm late. I know. I'm not gonna deny that, okay? But I was really emotionally affected by the WestJet Christmas video, and I just needed some time to myself. Oh, I forgot it at my friend's house. Parking, I tell ya. Honestly, everyone is just so stupid. Okay, I know my video is late, but I fell asleep. My camera broke. I had to drop my friend off at the airport, and it was really emotional. Someone stole my battery charger? YouTube wasn't working. Sorry.
Jingle bells, mommy yells, family's on their way. Braid my hair, pretend to care, or the rich they run away. Hey!
Recording.
Oh, मैं क्या पता नहीं कार में की हो गया